Wait, why is it so quiet? Bro, what the flip? The flip? What's so quiet? Hang on, let me fix this. Let me fix this. Why is that? Wait, wait. Why is it so? Hang on. Okay, there we go. Now it's a bit
Laughing
louder.
face.
Sorry, I don't. Oh my. Yo, nice. Nice. Oh no, I actually played somebody else's thing. Never mind, it's okay. But yeah, I'm Eoris. Yes, what's up, Kirix? I'm so sorry if I mispronounced your name. Oh man, gamers, welcome back to the awesome Minecraft hardcore world. Look at it, we got Mr. Brown. Oh, Mr. Brown, it's been so long. How you doing, Mr. Brown? Oh my god, Mr. Brown. Oh, got better in a high pickle? Kind of. I'm cool now. Yo, you got better. I am not better at all. Look at all my dogs. We got Purple. We got... I forgot your name. Duncan. No, I don't even know if it was Dunk. I don't know. I forgot what I called you. And then we got Blue. We got Purple, Blue, and then... I forgot what I called him. Ink. I remember I called him Ink, and then you had Mr. Brown for some random reason.
Emotional damage!
Why is it so loud? Bro, that scared the crap out of me. That was so loud. Oh my god. Okay, let's go down here, chat. Last stream, we did this awesome potato farm. Look at it. Look at this majestic thing. But today, I want to fix this. This thing is like so broken and so scuffed, and it does not work at all. So that's... Oh, I don't even have a pickaxe, bruh. Mr. Brown is the alpha, lol. What? You think Mr. Brown's the alpha? I wanted Blue to be the alpha. No, I wanted Purple to be the alpha, because Purple is you know, purple, you know? Oh my god, why, James? Why would you poop on me? I'm not Ash. You're Ash. It's not like I totally died. Oh man, no. Shut up. Oh, chat, this is, by the way, our primes haul. Primes, so this is our subs. And then these are all the primes. I forgot I need to add somebody to this from last stream, which I didn't get to add. We are adding Evan _GG. My good man, he subbed. I mean, that's pretty sick, you know, so yeah. Potato have 23k channel points. Let's go, good man, let's go. That's pretty legendary. That's pretty legendary. All right. So, I wanna make this I wanna make this what's it called again? I keep forgetting what you call it. I wanna make the iron farm thing. But we need to go back to the nether. Alright, I know. Yesterday didn't go so well in the nether, but we have to go back. We have to get the soul sand. We need to get the soul sand. Potato dies, potato get VIP kid. True, you know, if you ever want to, you can retire. Oh my god. Look at the beautiful Minecraft. Oh, I've never seen so much beauty in once. Okay. Can I sleep? I cannot. Damn, bro. I found a video though. I found a video that I'm gonna be using to whoa. Wait, chat. If you see this, is the okay. As you can see, I have the respawn set point, and then if I right click this and just, you know, you can see, okay, respawn point set. But then I figured out this super sick way where you can apparently keep your respawn but also sleep in another bed. All you have to do is just... Oh, no, that doesn't work. Crap, I think that's in the new update. Damn it. Okay, never mind. I thought... Oh, that was in the new... Oh, the 1.19 update. By the way, chat. Oh, I have so many cool data packs. Whoa, Knife Block. Thank you so much for the raid of 1. How was your stream, man? Welcome, raiders, to the stream. How was your stream, bro? Hello. What is good, man? Oh, how are you doing? Oh, Mod, can we do a question of the day? Potato, can we do a question of the day? I haven't set up a question of the day, and I want the Mod to do more question of the days. So, yo, by the way, thank you so much for the raid again, Knife Block. That's very appreciated, good sir. Oh man. All right, this is what we're gonna do now. I need to go get I have a thing here. We're gonna go back to the nether and hopefully get that failed so badly. Get a piece of soul sand. Maybe a couple. I don't know. Unless we can find some in the overworld, which I doubted. Knife Block, thank you so much for the follow. How are you doing? I'm good, how are you? I'm scared. I have to go to the nether. Yeah, I don't look prepared to go to the nether. Yeah, I'm not. Oh my god, this is gonna go so horrendously. This is gonna be so bad. If I die in the nether, I'm gonna be so upset. Like, bruh. Batty, hello, Batty. Welcome. Hello, Bestie. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. I hope you are doing well. Oh, but chat, I wanted to say, because, yes, last night, you know, I was like so tired. I'm like, okay, I was lying in bed and I was like, I'm just gonna watch a few YouTube videos. And that's when it hit me. You know, for the viewer SMP, what if we just add a bunch of data packs that, you know, not make it just look like basic survival Minecraft, but we have a lot of new things. What a flip is... Okay, that was creepy and I don't know why. But we'll just do this. But yeah, no, I was thinking, what if we just do that? Why soul sand? Because we need to make a water elevator thing for the zombie farm thing. So the water pushes the zombie up. If I can find where I built my portal, I can. Wait, where did I build my portal? I don't even remember. Oh, is it here? I don't know. I lost my portal. Oh no, there it is. Bye bye. Oh, see you later, bro. Thanks for dropping by. I just found the fortress in my world. Let's go, bro. Let's go. More blocks next stream, I guess. True, probably. No, but for the viewer SMP chat, I found quite a few data packs that make Minecraft more interesting and have more like objective. I'll do it if you want. If you want it. It's avocado, by the way. What's up, bro? What's up? Oh. What the flip? Why? Oh my god, what have I done? Why is this happening again? I did nothing. Oh, I'm just gonna keep running. You know what? Maybe if I just continue to run, these guys will not kill me. I don't know. Just go. I'm just going. Why? Why they all after me? Oh, I hate this game. I absolutely hate this game. This game sucks. I hope it fails. Why am I being killed? What the flip? Oh god, man. Oh god. How do I get these guys? Look at this. What am I meant to do here? Oh, wait. What if I get them to all fall into the thing, into the ravine thing? Some of them are dying. That's... Yes! Well, why? Why are they all killing me? Dirt, what's the best Minecraft block? Damn. I'll do it if you want. It's avocado. I'm down to code the whole viewer SMP. Oh, good, bro. But I got a... What is that? I got a few ideas for what I want to do. I'm gonna try to... I don't want to like... No, I don't know if I have enough RAM for these. Know what I mean? What is this? How do I stop them from trying to kill me? Bro! This is a scam. This game is... Look! They just spawn and instantly just want to kill me. Like, man, come on. Like, come on. What did I do? I did absolutely nothing. Hi, guys. Chill. I don't think they are. Well, I guess we have to wait here. So... Eros, you need a gold helmet or chestplate or leggings. But no, these are normal pigments. Oh, that's also... I do need them for those guys over there. But these are normal. I didn't even hit them. They hit me. Rude. Pigment, nope. It's woman. I know. I probably stole their wives. Let's be honest. I stole their wives and they got upset. Oh, man. Yeah, by the way, did you guys notice it's Tommy and its birthday today? I don't know. I am honestly concerned. Oh no, the Enderman upset. Oh my god, the Enderman's upset. Oh my god, the Enderman's upset. Oh my god, the Enderman's upset. I'm just gonna... Whoa. They don't like... I did nothing wrong to them. Pigman, nope. It's woman. I know. I just came for one piece of soul sand, my guy. How far do I have to go for soul sand? No. Oh, god damn, man. God damn. Okay, where can I find soul sand? I'm just trying to search for some soul sand. My god, why? Why do I... Oh, they're all dying. What the heck? Okay, at least those guys aren't trying to kill me. Alright. I think we might be good. here. Is that Enderman actually trying to full on kill me? Yes, yes! Die, Enderman, die! I mean, Pigman. Oh my god, look at all that XP down there. Oh my god. Why? I did nothing. Chat. Jump? I'm not gonna jump. What's wrong with me? It happened in my hardcore world. Bro, I can't even get back because they'll teleport through the portal before I can. And kill me. I'll be like trapped and die. Bro, what do I do? Okay, game. What do I do? Sure. Bup, bada, bup. Oh no, don't. Oh, did I just look at him? I did look at him by accident. Oh, come on. I didn't even mean for that. Oh. Yes, yes, yeah. I don't know what to do. The music's too nice. Oh, flip do I do? What do I do? Oh. Okay, okay. I don't know what to do. Chat, I need some advice. Yo, what's up, Dragon? What's up, Lily? How you doing? Go up yours. If I had blocks, why didn't I bring blocks with me? I don't know. Let's grab a few blocks then. Okay. Well, I guess that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and go up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not a bad idea. I'm not too far, so I should be able to get up here. Maybe to find some soul sand. Oh god, no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! That was too close. That was too close. That was too close. That was way too close, good man. Okay. Soul sand. Can I find soul sand here? I don't know, but I'm gonna get some quartz anyways. That was way too close. Yo, thank you for the 1-bit boat clutch. You got this. I'm where? Where do I go though? You know, where I can't. This is the drug boat. This is the ordinary drug boat. I can't abandon the drug boat. Alright, we get some gold. You know, maybe I'll just try to get a helmet or something. Oh my god. What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? I've committed no crimes. Oh man. Okay. Okay. We push this out like so. Alright. Where am I gonna... Can you even find soul sand up at this height? Oh man. I don't know. Can you find soul sand up this height? Wait, log out and log back in to get rid of the Enderman. Oh, that's not a bad idea. Okay, let's see if that even... Okay, okay. So we log out. Log back in. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your advice. Thank you so much, Hands Not Live. Near lava, you can find soul sand. Alright, gamers. Alright, the Enderman. About the pigmen. Are they still upset? Bro, I've done nothing to you! Oh, okay. What about the cast? Alright, so there's lava here, but I don't see any soul sand. You can even find it at this biome. Bro, I did absolutely nothing wrong here. I am getting bullied for no reason by a bunch of pigmen. Should I even try to make a run for it? How else can I get soul sand, chat? Without needing to come to the nether? How else can I get soul sand without even needing to come to the nether? Oh my god. I gotta eat sad? No problem, Neil. Yeah, I do. I hate this. What about there? That biome has soul sand. Does it? No. Magma. Can't see. I do. Oh crap! There's an end. Oh, no way more. Why? Why? Oh god, bro. Why? Why? I'm not really in a lake, if you can't tell. Chat, can I cheat to get out of here? Because I'm kind of trapped here, and there's like a million pigmen here, and I kind of don't want to die. So... Can I cheat to get out of here? Because this is so not poggers at all. This is so not poggers at all. What if I go up? Can I go up? Ooh. Ooh, wait, what? What's that? Oh, there's an Enderman up. You upset at me? You angry at me? Whoa. Whoa. Cave? Big cave? Okay. Okay. I think we may have found something. Hang on. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, I don't know. Hang on. Do I still have my... I do. Let me turn this off. Let me turn this off. Legs. Go build with netherrack. I don't have... My pickaxe is gonna die eventually, bro. Alright, I have an idea. So, I'm gonna go kill this enderman first. Alright. Kill this enderman. Yes, bro. Yes. No. Oh my god. Did so much damage there, bro. Ender pearl? Damn it. No ender pearl. Okay. Never mind. Okay, are you guys no longer angry at me? Please? Yes. Yes. No! What did I do? Bro! I literally did nothing! They were so... Oh my god, they were cool with me! What? Clap. There's the clap. I'm hydrating with some mook! Yo, what's up, Minecraft fan? Yeah, how you doing? I did clap. Make sure you just don't... They don't see you. Bro. I see you're not using a texture pack anymore. Why is that? Because the texture pack crashed my game. Texture pack crashed my game last time. Because I could not even load into the world when I died last time. So it crashed the game, and that's why I'm no longer using. Okay, is there soul sand here? I just need like one piece of soul sand. Please. One piece of Minecraft soul sand will do. And will suffice, and I have reached bedrock. Bruh. Okay, so that's the highest. If I had an ender pearl, I could ender pearl out there, but then I'll be trapped there for life. What do I do, gamers? What do I do? Just move away from the angry pigment to despawn. Okay. Good idea. That's a good idea. Alright, so I'll just dig this way. And then I'll log out and I'll log back in. Wait, F3B. Hitbox. Wait, how do I do chunks? How do I show chunks, chat? How do I do the F3 things to show chunks? Because if I go out of like enough chunks, and I log out and log back in, I should be able to respawn, grab that XP, and just leave. You know? Oh, my pickaxe is gonna break. Okay, how much durability do I have? Bro, I've not even done anything. I came into the nether and I'm being mugged. And I'm just straight up being mugged instantly. F3G. Thank you, dogs. Thank you. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Alright. Cool. Alright, let's go to the next chunk. The next chunk should be good. And then we should be safe. The next chunk we should be safe to relog. If I can... Okay, here we are. Then we go... Okay, well, in the next chunk, we relog. We leave. And then we join back in again. Alright, F3. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Dogs, welcome to the stream, bro. First time I see. How you doing? Consider following. It would help me out so much if you could. Alright, now if we go back, hopefully, I've done absolutely nothing wrong still, which I still have. I've committed no crimes. And then, it all have despawned. XP's gone. Safe? We safe? Did I actually big brain this game? No way I big brained this. I big brained it! I'm alive! Thank you so much for the follow, dogs! No way! The XP down there? There's still XP! Oh my god. I'm getting that XP. I need the XP. Yo! Oh, god damn, son. God damn, look at all this! Woo! Damn, son. We did it! Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I literally would have died if it wasn't for you all. Oh my god. We did it. Wait, what happened? Oh, I just joined the nether and I was instantly being mugged. The zombie pigments were mugging me straight off. Oh, what's that? I need to get soul sand. I was coming to the nether to get a piece of soul sand to make my zombie farm, and then I was just getting instantly mugged. But thank you to all of you to helping me. Oh, god damn, son. That was scary. That was scary. Alright. Now we need to go find some soul sand. I don't want to dig, because if I dig, I'm going to get trapped and my pickaxe is gone and anyways and blah, blah, blah. So I kind of need... Yo! Thank you for the 13 bits. How did I miss that?
So
I don't know.
Less than 3, less than 3, less than 3, less than 3.
The music too loud. It's a bit loud. Hang on, chat. Give me a second. It's a bit loud. Da 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 da. Done. Alright, for me it's also really loud. Okay. So sand. So oh damn. Oh I okay. I tabbed out for some random reason. Ooh! Yes, this biome has soul sand most of the time. Please. Please. Please just give me a bit of soul sand.
Not even
oh,
close, baby.
damn, bro.
Technoblade
Thank
never
you
dies.
all so much for helping me stay alive. I need to eat. I don't want to die. I literally don't want to die. Okay, we just go here. We just need to find a bit of soul sand. That's it. That's all. Find a bit of soul sand and then we're good for life. Ooh. Alright, there's normally soul sand next to gravel, so that's good. We just need to get down there maybe. Maybe we just get down there and we're good. Maybe we can find some. Oh no, magmas. I don't like magmas. Oh, damn. Good thing. Oh, yes! Lava pools. Sick. Giant lava lakes. Exactly what we need. Oh, there's some soul sand there. Nice. How do I get there, though? How do I get there? I don't want to walk all the way over there. There has to be some closer. Bruh. Okay, I hate the nether, chat. Hang on, I'm so sorry if I'm not reading chat. I'm trying to focus and not die. Oh, well, there he goes. He's alive. Bro, it's all the way over there. Is there none around here at all? Do I get all... I have to get all the way over there. Do I build over, chat? Should I? I'm not going to have enough. Let's be honest, I'm not going to have enough. Yo, what's up, Kiko, Tiger Twitch? Hi, I'm new. Welcome to stream, bro. What's up, Nomis? How are you doing? Did y'all hear about the recovery compass? Yes! I'm so excited for that. Told you yours. Oh, man. I know, but, like, how do I get there now, Finny? I know, like, thank you, bros. Thank you very much. But, you know, magma and oh, man. There has to be some closer, right? Gotta be some a bit closer, right? Okay. There's gotta be. Where else? Like, what if we dig down? I got sticks. I can literally only break 6 blocks. And I have to literally break 6 blocks and pray that I get some soul sand. Alright, so this is what we'll do. Ow. So we'll go here and then... It's just lava. Bro, no. I'm not gonna get anything. It's just lava underneath us. What the heck? Okay. Alright, I can use my fist because the netherrack isn't that hard to break. Oh, wood. I don't have wood. Damn it. Okay, I'll just use my fist. It's fine, gamers. It's fine. There's usually no soul sand in the basalt delta biomes. Bro, they should add at least, like, you know, a little bit. Yo, thank you so much for the follow. Nami is take. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. I'm trying not to die right now. I'm so focused, chat. Oh. Get Blackstone to make a pick. I know, but I have to go all the way up to find the thing, and I don't really want to do that. So we're just going to use our fist. It isn't even that long. You know, it'll take more or less the same speed with the stone. Actually, it'll be faster, but not the point. That's not the point, okay? That's not the point. But we're doing this. We're going to get some soul sand. We should be fine. Or maybe. I'm not sure at all, okay? In 2 words, no and mistakes. No mistakes. What? So I made a mistake. No, num is he? I'm so I literally have no idea. I'm so dyslexic. I apologize. And the blue mushrooms give you wood. Yeah, I know that. Han. I know that. Han. Hannah. Wait, Hannah. And is it Hannah or Han? I am so sorry. My dyslexia is getting worse and worse. Okay, come on, please. Yeah, I know this is really cringe. You're seeing me struggle here, but I'm doing it. Okay, I am doing it. I am straight up doing this. Oh no. Oh god damn it. No. Okay, well screw that then. We out. Wait, what biome are we in? Biome... No, where's the biome? Why am I so blind? I don't even know what's wrong with me. Yo, thank you so much for the 5 bits.
Less than 3, less than 3, less than 3. I don't know what to do. Cheer 1, less than 3,
Good,
less
it's
than
all
3,
good.
less than
I don't
3,
know what
less
to
than
do
3.
either. I'm dying. Oh my god, I would have fallen there anyways. Okay. Okay, then we leave. We're just gonna get a
Not
pick and
even
then
close,
build.
baby.
Oh
Technoblade never
my
dies.
God. Yo, thank you so much for the follow. Shadow Slayer DX, that's very appreciated. That's very appreciated. Welcome to the stream. Okay. I just don't like coming back here because of the stupid pigmen that tried to mug me, and because I stole their wives and childs. What am I saying? I don't know. Okay, let's go get some. Oh god damn, bro. Oh god damn. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Thank you so much for the follow. Alright, yo. Thank you so much for the follow, Chico. Tiger Twitch, welcome to the stream. How you doing? What version is the viewer SMP? It's not. I mean, the viewer SMP when it does come out will be on the latest Minecraft version. Right now, there is no IP and it is not open yet because it does not exist as of yet. But soon it will. Soon it will because we got loads of plans and stuff to do with it. Yo, we shall follow goal. What are we getting raided? No, we're getting botted. Just got botted, chat. Oh, damn. Why? Why are you botting? What is wrong with you? Why would you bot? What is this? Why are we getting botted? Bro! Yo, what's up? How you doing? Hey, yours, how you doing? No, good. I just got botted. What's up, KK Plays? Welcome to the stream. Calm down. I can't calm down. I just got botted. Bro, this is illegal. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. There's more. It just keeps coming through. Oh, Case Closed Live. Are you real? Thank you for the follow. If you are real, you look real. Everyone else's name after that looks fake. Names don't look like bots. I know, but then who it? Like, where do these people come from? If they're not bots, they have numbers at the end, specific numbers, and then letters. That's a bot thing. All right. There's a lot there. I see there might be quite a. Okay, chat. Give me 1 second. And there's a gas right in front of me, right there. Ah. That's pain. Names don't. Okay, then explain why there's only 16 viewers if there was like a lot of people that just followed. Lunar scammers all of Australia. Bro. Case, I'm not a bot. Yo, thank you, Case Coach, for the follow. That's very appreciated. I can't believe I just got botted, my guy. Okay, oh no, I don't want to die here. Okay, we're good. We just hide here. Do this. Nice. Okay, then we make a crafting table. We do that. We make a stick. We do this. We do this. We do this. And then we just mine a bit. Please have no lava. But thank you everyone for the... Oh, yo, Hannah not live? Whoa, you weren't following, Hannah? You weren't following? Oh my god. All good though. Hey, yours, how you? I'm doing okay, Cam. Sorry. Did you end up finishing it? I did finish my iron farm. It works so good. I got like 4 blocks of. I got 4 stacks. No, 4 iron. No, 4 stacks of iron blocks. Yes, I struggled to say that for some reason because of how ridiculous it is for me to grasp how much I got, man. It is redonkulous. I got that many. All right, let's go grab some netherrack. We're gonna do some building and try to get. Oh man, I don't think we can build from there because if a ghast falls in and attacks us, we are screwed. So I don't know, games. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I just saw you on my recommended. Oh, okay, thank you so much for the follow though. That's very appreciated. Thank you everyone that followed and that is not a bot for the actual follow. That means a lot. That actually means a lot. I'm gonna have to try to get rid of all the bots. Oh god damn, bro. Oh god damn. Alright. I'm gonna go get some gold. I hear gas and I don't like it. The struggle. Over 20 people following and there's I know, right? I know. They're bots. They're bots. Why? Why did I just get botted? And when there are real followers that actually followed, it's so hard for me to tell because I can't tell who's real and who's fake sometimes, No, it's hard. It's hard for me. Oh no. Please. No. Oh, goddamn, bro. Oh, take that. Take this. No, take that. I want to kill this baby, bro. I'm gonna try to kill this baby. No, bro. Come back here. Oh, man. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, my God. I'm running. I'm just gappling. Gonna gapple. No, I want those pants. I want those pants. Oh, my God. Give me that. Okay, now I shouldn't die. Oh, please don't do this, bro. Please. I don't want to kill you. Okay. Yo. Now 19. Glitched, Blackstone, cracked. I know. Okay, we're good. We're okay. What? 36? What? How? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't... What? That's... No, this game's... I just got a 9 pick. The game is broken. I don't know how. Okay, wait, chat. Let me get rid of all these bot followers so I don't get banned from Twitch. Bot remember. Let's do this. Not here 20. No, there is. Hey guys, let's not talk about views. Okay, let's everyone chat. Bro, grass is so annoying sometimes. You know what I do like about Minecraft? Nether grass. I don't know if that's what it's called, but nether grass. It's easier to mine than normal. Oh my God. Okay, I thought I saw a thing for a second. Bro. Don't unfollow me, please. No, you won't get unfollowed. But just to make sure, if I'll let you guys know when it removes all the bots, and I would highly recommend that you reload the page and check your following. But I'll let you know when it happens. Oh my God, that would have been bad. And there's a thing up there, so I don't like it. Okay, yo. I can't even tell. Clap, do it. I'm clapping. There you go. You happy? I did it. Alright, I don't like this biome, because if I go all the way there, there's gonna be a ghast that's gonna spawn. I can guarantee that. There will be a ghast that spawns and kills me. Let's just go though. I got 9 apples, it should be fine, I think. Unless it's like... Oh, unless it's soul sand nearby that I just don't see. I need my follow each time. No worries. Okay, there's 74 bots! What the hell? Oh, by the way, okay, who are the non-bots? So, Hannah Not Live is a follower. Case Closed Live is a follower. Who are the non-bots that followed? And Shadow Slayer DX is a follower. So everyone, all the 74 after that are fake. Okay. Alright, I've confirmed I want to get rid of these bots. I have gotten rid of... Wait, it's getting rid of them. 74 times after hear that sound. That is horrible. That is so bad. Okay, wait, is it possible to get Sultan in the overall chat? Because if it is, I might just do that instead, honestly. Yo, Jace Fix live. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? How are you? Welcome. We just got botted, so I'm so sorry if your name doesn't show up for a while. Oh man, I wish I had a Strider thing so I can just ride the Strider instead. Oh my God, how am I gonna get all the way over there? Oh geez, it's gonna take a while. Yo, Jonah Way, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Again, apologies if you don't see your name for a while. Just got botted, so can't really see things. Look for a different lava lake. No, I've already committed. Alright, once I start committing, I never stop. Alright. Oh, by the way, I don't know why, before the stream, while I was resting after, you know, doing a lot of YouTube video editing and, you know, cleaning and chores and whatnot, I noticed, like, something cool popped up on my recommended. I can tell you, Bridge, I'm not gonna do it on hardcore, bro. Yo, thank you for dropping by, Finny. I'll see you later. No problem, bro. Don't worry about it. I hope to see you later, good man. Oh, no! No, man. No. Oh, I'm just gonna snipe the crap out of you. I have infinity on my bow. Should be good, I think. Oh, by the way, did you guys see all of Dream's new videos? I mean, not all of his, but like a few of his new videos. You know, like not a few, just the most recent one. It was quite interesting. Minecraft 100 levels thing. I don't know. What do you guys think of it? Let me know. I literally just remembered because of the stupid slimes, honestly. these magmas. I was like, damn. Yo, the real pro you. Thank you so much for the raid of 1. How is your stream, man? Welcome to the stream, buddy. What is good, buddy? What is good? Yeah, I haven't seen them. You should raid incoming. Yo, thank you, bro, so much for the raid. That's very appreciated. That's very, very appreciated. Okay, guys, I've removed all the bots. So I would highly recommend that you reload your page and check if you're still following. Following is free. It would help me out so much if you could follow. I haven't seen them yet. You should. Oh man, I quite enjoyed the. I mean, it was not as like exhilarating or as mind blowing as as the manhunts, but it was still pretty good to see Dream's new video and like his new style and ideas he's got. But yeah, I don't know. It's a very old idea though. You know what I mean? Okay. Oh my god. Yo, thank you so much for the... Oh, damn. Damn. I'm still hearing the follow sounds and I'm just like, oh, people following? Done. Is it done? Are they... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. But guys, it's harder. It's hard on mode. It is hard mode harder? Yes, it's hardcore, bro. It's hardcore, buddy. Oh, it's difficult. It's very difficult. You know, you die, the game ends. You die, you're dead forever. But obviously, I cheat and survive because, I put too much time and effort into it. And I don't have time and effort to put into another one when I know I spend so much more on this. It's just like, bro, what, you know what I mean? You get what I'm doing? Welcome back, Potato. Welcome back from eating. Yo, I'm actually getting pizza today, so it's pretty good. So... But I started so late today, so I don't know if I'm gonna be ending. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Where's the blocks, bro? Where's the blocks? Where's the blocks? Bro, don't do that, game. Don't do that. Alright, let's go straight now. We should be able to go straight. Oh no, I heard it gassed. I heard it gassed. I heard it gassed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, please don't follow if you're not following. That's why I just play hard mode on mobile. I see. For me, hard mode isn't... Oh, damn. I could try to... I don't have power. I don't have... Oh, wait. I got D. I got D's. Are you gonna try to kill me, Zombie Pigman? If you do, that's gonna be quite upsetting. No, I spent so much time. To get here. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I made it. Yes. 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 Oh, finally. I did it. After all this time. I made it to the soul sand. Oh, damn. I'm gonna mine all of this now. Yes, gamers. Yes, I did it. Oh, my God. Are you proud of me, gamers? Are you proud? I did it. I did it. For me, hard mode isn't that hard because I've been playing. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Some people are just better. Some people are just too good at the game, at hard mode. Me, personally, I suck at Minecraft hardcore. Like, honestly, I mean, yeah, like, cool. I've done some cool stuff. But I've never done really well. I think this is the first time I've really, like most of the time I struggle at the Nether. So as you can see, I am very much struggling in the Nether of Minecraft hard mode. I mean hardcore mode. But apart from that, I think I'm doing fairly well. Okay, let's not die this time, and let's not accidentally hit a pig. Accidentally hit a pigman, that would be really bad. That would be really bad, and that would cause me to die, and I kind of don't want to die, as you can tell. Okay, yes. Oh, okay. Oh, sadly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get there. Press the wrong button. Oh, all right, let's go. Okay, whoa. All of this for some soul sand. Yup, dogs. Yup, we did. We literally almost died multiple times for some soul sand to make a zombie farm. All right, because oh my god, no, back up. Whoa. Oh, there's the raid. Whoa, thank you by the way again for the raid. I'm so sorry it took so long to show up. That's very appreciated, good man. Please just fall. Please just fall. Please just all of you fall and die. Okay. Alright, buddies. Alright, bros. Alright, bros. Okay, bros. Alright, bros. Alright, bros. Oh no. How did you hit me? Getting in here. I'm getting in here. Screw it. I need more blocks. If I'm gonna survive. Oh, I just need to get back to my, whatchamacallit, to my portal, and then I'm good. Get to the overworld, and I'm gonna kiss the grass and kiss my animals. I grinder nearly max full diamond. Oh, before going, I actually do have full diamond armor. I just don't have it enchanted. Just don't have anything enchanted, and I don't want to, damage it and blah blah blah. I sound like a. Excuse me, buddy. Excuse me. This is the cool people path. Okay, only meant for cool people. All right. Let's leave. Let's leave. No, no. Uh-oh. Okay, buddy. Alright, bros. Alright, bros. Okay, I don't want to hit. I don't want to hit. Ah! Get out of my face! Get out of my face! How are you not dying? Oh my god! Die! Alright. We're good. We're good. Holy. I'm out. I am out of this stupid place. I hate the nether. It sucks so much. I made so fun in hardcore with iron. Bruh. Welcome to hell, baby. Welcome to hell. That's what that should be the motto of the nether. Welcome to hell. Just keep running. Knife. Get rid of that. Whoa, that was a weird curve. That's a weird curve thing. Nice. Thick. Where do I go? There's my portal. We go. Alright, and then we leave forever and never enter again. How do you even get in? Okay, here it is. There we go. We leave forever and never return. Don't have bad things in. Alright, alright, it's nighttime. Alright, we're fine. It's all good. We're okay. Somehow. We're okay. I don't know. Are we okay? Oh my god! Oh my goodness me! We survived, gamers. We survived! Oh god, man. Oh god. That was horrible. Clap, in case I missed any claps. Oh, what about the blaze powder? No, we'll find that later. As of right now, I just needed some soul sand. As of right now, I literally just needed a bit of soul sand. That is... Bro, let's never go there again. Let's just never go to the nether again. For a long time. Oh, this was horrendous. Oh, bro, why? Uh-oh. No! Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh, no. Alright, sick. We bounced. Gamers, we have bounced. Oh, God. I hate this map. I hate the nether spawn, especially. Now, like, we spawned in the worst place possible. The most open place where you can just fight a million gas. What's up, VR planes? Nether again? Nah. We out of there. We are out of there. We ain't going back there until we need potions, okay? Until we need potions or we need to go to the end. Alright? But until then, we don't need to go there. Honestly, I don't want to go back there. It's like, I'm putting the drug boat in here. Drug boat, please give me comfort. Alright. Let's just go. Holy! Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Oh my... Oh. I'm gonna start crying, David. I'm gonna survive. I actually survived. Somehow, I survived. Oh my god. How? What happened? I died. Well, I didn't die. I almost died. Pun failed. Never. Oh, I get the pun now. I'm an idiot. I'm so sorry. Please. Hang on. Crap. Wait, I can do a dream thing, chat. Watch this. Crap, that didn't work. Hang on. That also didn't work. What the flip? That also didn't work! Oh, I'm trying to do like a bow. I'm trying to do the bow boosters. It's kind of hard to do. Oh, that failed so badly. I can't bow boost for some dumb reason. Alright, we got that. We put this away. Oh my god! Jeez, the flies in my room and it scared the crap out of me, bro. It scared the crap out of me. Oh, no. No, man. Get out. Get under. No, there's a fly in my room. It came on my face instead. No, it didn't come on my face, but get the crap out of me. Bro, it's underneath my monitor. Bro, get it out. Like, come on. There it is. I get it. Out. Oh, where's the fly? Gone. Oh, jeez. Pun failed. No. Your pun didn't fail. I got the pun. I got it eventually. I got rid of the fly. Suck it, fly. I'm so sorry. I am probably gonna get cancelled now. But let's be honest. It attacked me. Alright, let's be honest. I'm joking. Attacked me. I'm just being a big baby. I'm literally a big baby when it comes to it. That's something. I get so scared. And I don't. What is that? Oh! What is that? There's another fly. No, there's no flies. Oh my god, make an almighty diamond hoe. What do you think I hate my life or something? Why would I do that? I don't hate my life. Don't make me hate my life. Alright. 3. We're good. I think it's the milk. I got milk, so attracting flies probably. I don't know. I hate living in humid constant that's everywhere. Alright, so now that we got the soul sand, we need to now, what do we need to now do? I don't honestly know. Alright, chat, hang on. This is what I'm gonna do. So, I'm gonna share my screen. This with this. Alright, so you can see my screen. That's the music. This is the video. Alright, this is the video. So, this is the video we're watching to finally understand what we need to do to make this awesome zombie form, as you see right in front of you. So then it goes up because of the soul sand, and it gets pushed to the other side, and they fall and die, and that's where I'll be waiting to kill them. Oh? Yeah, it's pretty sick game. It's pretty sick. Right, okay, this is all the things we need. Okay, so we need, Alright. We need to go get kelp. Damn it, bro, we don't have kelp. That's why we need the soul sand. We literally needed one soul sand just for that dumb thing. Alright, we need to go get... We have kelp. We need to go get kelp. Do it. We have to go get kelp now. Damn, bro. We need to go find an ocean. Oh, but it broke? What do you mean it broke? I don't have kelp. I need to go find an ocean. That's an ocean. Alright, then we have to go find some kelp. Can you grow kelp? Is that a thing? Like... You grab some kelp and get an automatic kelp farm or something. I don't know. You can memorize do he design. Wooden hoe. Wooden hoe will broke. Wooden hoe is broke, guys. We don't want broke things. We want rich things. No. Okay. We need to I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh no, but yeah, I want to talk about something awesome. Now, while we travel till we find an ocean. There I was, you know, on a beautiful, normal day, okay? And I don't know, for some reason I decided to watch some like blooper reels from Avengers, and I was like, damn, okay. And that's why I was like, you know, I was like, damn, Avengers, that's pretty sick. Yo, what's up, Purple Widow? How you doing? And I think by watching that, it kind of reignited my passion for acting. Like, yeah, I've always enjoyed acting, and I've always wanted to do it, you know, as a career in the future, blah, blah, blah. You know, you've heard the gist and things people say. But, you know, in some way, I've sort of refound my love for it again, you know? Hello there, long time, been a while, Flames. How you doing? Wait a second. Can you get kelp from bone meal? Actually, unbig. Oh. Can you just use bone meal to get kelp? Isn't that a thing? Can you just use bone meal to get kelp? Long time. It has been a long time. Get shiny. Bro, we already got a piece of shiny. We already got your shiny amethyst block, epic. We got the most useless Minecraft block, amethyst. Literally just looks shiny. That's about it. Oh man, sorry, Chad. I'm not moving my mouse. I'm just scratching my head, and it's really itchy. I think I got like dry scalp. I hate having. It's my. I don't know why. Some of my shampoos. I don't know. It's like it makes my feel burn. Makes my scalp like burn kind of thing. And it's not nice. So I'm trying to. It's bad. It's bad because now like I think I'm also getting dandruff and everything. It's just like it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not. It's very. And I'm a person who likes to keep my hygiene very clean and everything. I'm like my room's fairly clean. When I mean fairly, I mean it's pretty clean. The only thing that annoys me are like the scratches on my floor because of my table when I was redecorating my room. But apart from that, like my room, otherwise it's fairly clean. And my walls, I wish I could repaint them, bro. I wish I could repaint my walls. I want to get like on my profile pic, you have like the light red kind of look to my what's it called? I forgot what's it called. I've got like a weird light red thing to my profile pic. Oh my god, that was dumb. That was very dumb. Now I kind of wanna put that on my walls because I feel like it'll make the room a bit more brighter and kind of I don't know, make me feel more productive. Okay, no kelp. How else can you get kelp? I don't wait. What are the like nothing in rose? Like really? Does this not spawn kelp at all? Uh-oh. Okay, come on. You just need some kelp. Bro! No kelp at all. Really? How does this work? Shiny Stone, Pog, Flame. What are you doing? It's my first final exam on Tuesday, but oh, well, that's good, bro. Laylis, how you doing? I'm pretty sure you can't get kelp like that. Oh, thank you, Laylis. Thank you. I just found out. I literally just, oh man. I need to go find an ocean biome. Alright, let's go take Miles the horse and the female horse. Yes, Miles is a female horse name. It's Miles, Americans, who uses a Miles? We traveled 500 miles. What the hell, bro? What kilometers? Okay, a mile is like what? 2.5 kilometers or 1.5 kilometers or something stupid like that. Bro, come on. That's stupid. Okay, I need to get a water bucket so I can MOG. However, I do not have a water bucket. This is embarrassing. Alright, then that sucks. We're just gonna have to that did not go so well at all. Alright. Yo, Ren Jovid, thank you so much for the follow. How you doing now? Aria, welcome. Ocean, seagrasses, you. We gotta travel till we find the horse is kind of fake. Oh dang. Let's go find an ocean. Alright, we'll go F5. I think we'll go this way. I don't think we've been this way yet. I don't think we've Wait, maybe find an ocean. Oh, that's a lake. Oh, God. No. No ocean. Wait, no, we have been that way. I do. Nothing there. Okay, so we're going straight this way then. I remember there might be an ocean here. So, what server is this? It's just a hardcore world, bro. Just my hardcore world. Those pillages were looking kinda nasty, man. Kinda nasty. My head, bro. My scalp is itching so much. It hurts and it itches. And I'm just like, bruh. And I think I've just started like bleeding / getting scabs on my head with my itchy scalp. It's not good, chat. It's not good. Okay. Oh, an ocean? Is this an ocean? Oh, yo, I think we found an ocean. Might be an ocean here. You good? No, I'm not. My scalp, bro. My scalp hurts and itches. Oh my. Hang on, chat. Give me 1 second. Wait. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to. Alright. That's a big piece of dandruff. Bro, that's horrible. That's disgusting. Oh my god, what's wrong with me, chat? What's wrong with me? Well, I've literally... Oh, I'm so stupid. Alright, let's... maybe if I just keep my hands off my scalp, I can just forget about it. Forget about it! New Yorkers. Yo, Laylis, thank you so much for the follow. That's very appreciated. Alright, ocean! Yes! We got an ocean! What's wrong? Why did I just turn British all of a sudden? I went full-on British mode. We got ourselves an ocean. This is great. Absolutely wonderful. Why did I just go British? Oh my god. I don't want to go American either. Oh man, but am I naturally British? Am I naturally American? A clock. Nice. I'll take a clock. I kind of like clocks. Ow, that was rude. Alright, straight up, man. Straight up. Alright, so, is there no kelp here at all? When you'd see the kelp, it'd be... Wait, what's that? Damn. Can't see it. I'm looking at the corner of my head. No, there's nothing here. Alright, let's just jump. Let's get out of here. Let's go, let's go. Let's keep going. We gotta keep going. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, the sad lilies. We see the sad lilies. Gotta go get back to studying. Alright then. Thank you for dropping by, Flames. I hopefully will see you later, good man. Hopefully we'll see you later. Good luck on your studies and good luck on your exams. Oh man, that being said, I've got my final exams very soon as well. Where I, you know, this is the last exams I'll ever do in my life before, you know, I graduate out of high school. You know? Right. I should, you know, here I am playing Minecraft and I should really be studying because this is... The teachers are like, during the break, you should study, you should work, and blah, blah, blah. Shut up. Alright, shut up. And now I also just realized my teachers also watch my streams. I don't know how they found out I stream, but they found out, and then they watch, I don't know, they found out I stream. They know I did YouTube. Yo, George not found IRRL. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the stream, bro. Oh, I forgot about this village. And there's some kelp. Yo, we got some kelp. Nice. I forgot about this village. Yo, this was a pretty sick village. We stole all the hay bales from here because we needed all the hay for the villagers to breed. You know, needed to breed the villagers. Oh man, when I raided that village, it was on 4 villagers, only 4, and I saved it. I saved it. All right, good man. Yeah, I'm gonna put you in this. And all right, bro. Good. Then we just go to sleep. Nice. Yo. Alright. So when we get the stack of the things, we should be good. It's like right here as well. This is perfect. Perfect. How much do we need? 30. We'll just have a stack, you know. Honestly, I'm gonna mess it up. So we're just gonna grab as many as we possibly can. Harvesting some kelp. That's a lot. Okay, we're good. We have way too much now. I'm also gonna make an automatic kelp farm so I can also get infinite fuel, and then I can also have like infinite food. But even though this is not really good food, but you know, mainly infinite fuel. That's what we need. That's what we really need. All right, sick. We're good. All right, we're good now. Now we head back. Yo, children, chatter, welcome to the stream, bro. How are you doing? What is good, man? What is absolutely good? Wait, what are your traits? What's this guy's traits? Shut up. Give me your traits. Woo! What? This is pretty godly. Mending! My sub is gone. Yo, you should sub with Twitch Prime. It's free. It costs absolutely nothing. All you do is click subscribe and Prime. What the? Yo, this guy's pretty sick. What about you? Kind of lame. What damn, son? Damn! Oh my god, clap. We got mending. I just have to remember to come there. Yo, Technoblade's in a hole. No, that's what she said. Haha! But so funny, guys. I'm so funny. Let's switch the song. Oh no, crap. Did I switch the song? I did. Done. Yes. Okay, we just keep this open. So we need that, bloop, bloop. I don't know what else we need. Yeah, we just need to go get everything else. So it should be pretty good. Yo, Apronis, hi, how you doing, Apronis, bruh? Alright, well, I need to get a lot of emeralds for that. So 30, what is it, 36? So we need to do 36 times 4 plus 4, 5, wait, 4, 5, 6, 7. 36 times 7. How much is that, chat? How much is 36 times 7? I can't math in my head. I need a calculator. Oh, I'm so bad in math. I'm gonna fail math. Oh, I don't want to fail math. I can't fail math. I fail math. I can't do anything in my life. Oh crap. That was almost a perfect jump, bro. Almost did a perfect jump, buddy. Oh, what's 86 times 7? 7, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Yo, Apronus, thank you so much for the follow. That's very appreciated. That's very, very appreciated. All right, this is the awesome iron golem farm. Look at it. All right, the first time I created this, I just AFK'd here for like 24 hours. And I had like 3 blocks. That's how I got so much iron. And apparently a few of these guys spawned outside or dropped outside. I don't know how, but they somehow did. What are you broing at, Lay? What are you broing at, Lay? I don't know why you just remind me of Layla. No, Leia from Star Wars. I don't know. Yeah, I just whenever I hear Leia or Lay or Lee or not Lee, Leia, you know, I just instantly think of Leia from Star Wars and Carrie Fisher and how she, you know, she played, you know, Leia. Such a beautiful, beautiful character. So sad that, you know, passed away. Even though that happened so long ago. Chat, what actor or actress or creator would you be most upset if, you know, they died? Honestly, like, what creator would you be most upset if they died? Personally, for me, I think it would be, who would it be for me? Damn, this is tough. Even I don't know. I don't want anyone to die, though. That's the thing. I don't want nobody to die. That would be so bad. That should be just bad. Okay, we got 15. That's good. All right, let's get a spare chest. Do we have a spare chest? All right, how many do we need? We need 2 chests. We could have chests. We got hoppers. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down here, bruh. I don't know much. You're me? Really? You'd be upset if I died? I really doubt I made an impact on the world. I only, and the way I see it is like, if I would, you know, I would only be sad if I died if I didn't make an impact on the world. But if I did, then it'd be like, yeah, no, I lived a good life then, you know. I guess I had some. Okay, so we got some things here. Let's grab this. I'm gonna just quickly grab that. We're gonna need all of this, honestly. But honestly, we're gonna need all of this. Yo, thank you so much for the follow. Alex, welcome. Alex to the stream. Might be doing well. Alex, welcome, bro. Alright, Mr. Beast. I was actually thinking Mr. Beast as well. I was like Mr. Beast. But you know, actor-wise as well, like, alright, say a creator and an actor. There's too many actors, you know, there's too many great actors that make me upset if they died. Scarlett Johansson, Robert Downey Jr. Oh, that would be so sad. Okay, we're gonna need all of those. Then we need 30 kelp. Crap, 30 kelp, 10 torches. So all the torches, all the kelp. Get rid of this. We are gonna just grab a stack of cobblestone. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Take a screenshot of this. I like manually canceling it out. So we do water, chest, hopper, this. Wait, where is my soul sand? Oh, here it is. Okay, and then we have that slabs we got down there. Oh my god, yeah, thank you so much for the follow, Froggy Bob. How you doing? What are you doing? Playing some Minecraft hardcore? I'm trying to make my automatic farm. So I'm trying to figure out what I need. A wall and 3 signs. Do I have? I have 3 birch signs as well. Where's my walls? Do I not have a wall? Where are my walls at? I had so many. Bro, okay, there we go. We got some walls here. Alright, well, we'll just grab 2 anyway. We're gonna grab all of them, because honestly, I know I'm gonna screw it up. So, okay. We do this. We don't need the clock. Got tons of food. And that is everything we need. Oh wait, bucket of water. We
Not
don't have
even
the water.
close,
Why am
baby. Technoblade never dies.
Okay, so apart from that, we got everything else. We just need 3 buckets of water. Do I have buckets? I don't. All right, I just have to make a few buckets, bruh. All right, 3 buckets. 1, 2, 3. Bing blong, bing bong bong. All right, sick. We got the buckets. Yeah, we're just working on epic, you know, mob farm thing. All right, you know, honestly, I think we're gonna need more blocks. We're literally gonna need more blocks because I've already messed up the way the thing looks and acts and works and basically everything. Okay, we drop down here. We go here. Let's go over here. What chat? Okay, like, do you guys remember? I just realized I'm gonna get rid of this entire room. entire room doesn't make sense anymore. Like, honestly, the room's is broken and doesn't make sense at all. So I'm gonna have to remake the whole room. I just... Oh, man. I have to remake the whole room. Okay, let's just do this. The place is too big, honestly. I think it's too big. Okay, oh man. Let's just do that. 6 so I don't fall and die. And all we do is get rid of these signs. And I just put a thing here. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, chat. Now we watch the video. How do we do this? How do we do this? Fine, I don't care. Yes. Okay, cool. Thank you. You just got rid of it. Place a slab at top of the spawn. Okay, we're gonna place a slab at top of the spawn. Okay, alright, so let's just get up here. And then we place slab. Boop. Like that. And then we just get rid of this. How big? I made this too big, I think. I honestly made this too big. 4 blocks on each side from the spawner. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, damn. Oh, no. Oh, no. So let's just do this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And bam, bam. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we get rid of that. 3. And then needs to go 1 this way. Okay. Alright, how did I screw this up? I screwed this up. I screwed up the thing so badly. Cover from the sides. Cool. I already know that. When did you live in a cave? I don't live in a cave. I just have a mob farm in a cave. Cover so the roof will be 2 blocks. Wait, it has to be only 2 blocks high? Wait, what? What? It's so high! Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez, man. So, 1... Wait. 1, 2. Bruh. Is that too high? Wait. Blocks, bro. Straight up. Only 2 blocks. So that's including this. So it's this! What? How did I mess that up so badly? How did I mess this up so badly? I'm gonna need so many more blocks, gamers. I'm gonna need so many more blocks. Oh, god damn. I don't have enough blocks. I'm not gonna have enough blocks at all. Bruh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Why have I messed this up? How have I messed this up? Okay, how far this way can I reach? Alright, sick. Let me just do that. Bing, blong, bling, blong. Oh, god damn it, bro. I didn't know I messed it up that badly. Like, I thought, it was like, oh, it was okayly bad. Not this bad. Bro, I have to, like, basically rebuild this whole room. Oh, god, bro. Wow. Not good at all. Alright, let's go. We have to go get more blocks. I've already used up all my blocks. Okay, let's go. Let's just bring all the cobblestone, honestly, because we're not even doing anything with it anyway, so might as well just have all the cobblestone. And my music stopped. Why? Why'd you stop? Go into the next song, please. Next song. Oh, chat. By the way, for the viewer SMP, since I've already started kind of work on it by, collecting, data packs for the SMP. If you guys have any interesting data packs that you want to add to the viewer SMP, please join the Discord and just put it in, like, I don't know, mod. Is there? No, just like, I don't know, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Just like put it in chat, I guess. I'm not too sure exactly where you should put it in. But just, suggest it, It'd be great to have a few suggestions from the community to figure out, what exactly you want the viewer, what kind of, like, data packs you guys, would want in the SMP. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, how deep does this need to be? Let's check that. Okay, so it's 2. Now clear all the blocks. Eh? Wait, what? I'm so confused. This man's confused me. It's too deep as well. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 4. Am I did this right? So this is the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so I am doing it right. And then it needs to be 2 high as well. So, no, 2. So it's like this level. Oh my god. Oh my god. It needs to be this level. Oh, damn, bro. Oh, bro. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing. I've really, like, you know, messed up this thing a bad. Wait, no, don't tell me up as well. No, it's at my eye level, so that's good. This is exactly what we need. This is exactly what we need. All right, it's okay, gamers. It's okay. We've not destroyed it, so it's fine. It's fine. I think. I don't know. Bruh, how have I managed to mess up a mob farm this badly? Honestly, this is you can tell I've never really done much of mob farm building in my life. Honestly, I need to do more of these things. I need to learn how to do these better because I really cannot do these better. Honest, like, bruh, how do I not know? I've played Minecraft for almost 10 years now and I don't know how to make a simple mob farm. Bruh, this is disappointing. I'm sorry, Chad, that you have to put this my disappointingness. I am a disgrace to the Minecraft community. I'm sorry, gamers. I am very sorry for my... No. Oh, it's bad. We can tell, I know. Putting women in your title was a really good idea, because I joined the stream for that. Yo, let's go. That's pretty sick. I'm sorry if I'm not paying attention to chat that much. I'm trying, but at the same time, I'm not good. I'm very dyslexic. I get distracted quite easily, and I struggle with my reading. So it's just like, you know. So I find it really hard to focus. Really hard to focus on some things that chat says. So I do apologize if, you know, I'm not reading chat as much. And as well, I don't, you know, I have like, for some reason, I have the expectation where like chat's is not naturally very active. So, you know, it doesn't really give me a reason to want to read it more. So I do apologize. Just keep chatting. Eventually, I will read it. I promise, gamers. I promise. I'm very sorry if I'm not, you know, reading chat as much as I should be. I'm trying. I wanna be able to do it as much often. So all I need you guys to do, is just keep chatting, just keep talking, and I will eventually read it, and I will eventually realize, yeah, no, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. I just need to focus on chat mainly. No, not all the time, but you know, focus and read chat. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. All right, nice. And now we just have to go this way, and then we should be good. Good. So we got this way. Hello, I'm back. Welcome back, Epic. Welcome back. How you doing? We're working on improving our zombie farm, improving our epic Minecraft zombie farm. Oh, Cameron, give me 1 second. Uh-oh. Alright, gamer, sorry, I went AFK, my mom came in. Yes, we can tell. Welcome back. My, apparently, pizza just arrived. So, this is what I'm gonna do. Chat. On that note, I'm gonna end the stream here, and I'll continue the stream after, wait, give me 1 second. Let's enable Minecraft and that off. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm sorry, gamers, and then I'm gonna continue it again. Continued again after I'm done eating and I come back, and you know, we'll probably do some more things as well. Probably finish this off, and then I'll stream for even longer. All right, how's that, everyone? I'll stream for even longer after. Sai on 144 hertz. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, who are we gonna raid? Let's raid somebody. Let's raid. Wanna raid somebody, and then don't worry, chat. In about like 2 hours, I'll come back on. All right, I'll try my best to come back on in about 2 hours. Alright, wait, who do we raid? Oh, my good man Crimson is live. My good buddy Crimson. Don't worry, gamers. Don't worry. We're gonna go raid him, and we'll. He's doing some speedrun in Minecraft. He's speedrun Minecraft. But Chad, don't worry again. Like I said, I'll be back in about 2-ish hours. We'll play a bit more Minecraft hardcore, and then yeah, it should be pretty fun. Anyways, thank you again, everyone. Here's a few claps in case I missed any claps, guys. If you're not subbed to Twitch Prime, please subscribe with Twitch Prime. It's free. It would help me out so much. And then for those who are not following, please drop a follow. It's free. It costs nothing, and it would help me out so much. But again, thank you everyone for coming on today. Stream was really fun. I really enjoyed hanging out with you all, and I'll see you all later. Peace out. Stay happy. Bye. Wait, I need to pull out and stream and raid.
I want to turn my renders up. I feel like the game's gonna start freezing again. I don't want that. Throw out my soul speed as well. Oh Christ! Earns, thanks for the raid, man. Wow, Jesus Christ. Yeah, thanks everyone for coming. Hi Raiders, how you doing?
Thank you for dropping by. I will see you later.
I'm just speedrunning some Minecraft. I was not expecting